All right, YouTube, what's the word, man? We got to talk about this. This is a very serious conversation. Do your homework on very serious conversations, gang. And the absolute necessity of having very serious conversation, grown-up conversation. Let's just call them grown-up conversation. Damn, I make some good-ass noodles. Anyway, folks, we got to talk about Biden, folks. We got to talk about the president today, gang. Folks, did y'all know, black people? Did y'all know, black people? I'm finna put y'all on something. If y'all knew or y'all didn't know. Maybe y'all paying attention, maybe y'all ain't. Y'all know that Biden pardoned his son on all the drug and the gun charges, and then wrote a letter to the American people and said he was only pardoning him because he his son. So the president made his felonies go away. Made his son's felonies go away. Then the next president finna come in with a felony and make his felonies go away. This shit getting real interesting, soap opera America. Is this a country or a corporation? Y'all being sold slavery, gang. Y'all ass crazy as hell. Y'all being sold slavery, gang. Anyway, back to this Biden shit, bro. You wrote the letter, and you got the nerve to tell people that your ass pardon that nigga just because he was your son, gang. I feel some type of way, bro. My daddy wasn't there to take me to the fair on the game. What's to you, gang? And then you took the highest point of power and position in the world and you abused it, gang. And I got cousins, best friends, nephews, nieces, sisters, BOSs, all type of walks of the struggle in that bitch, from BDs to GDs to five lords, moles, foes, stone, everything in that bitch, gang. And some of they ass innocent for real. And you took it up on yourself to pardon your son. Interesting. Hey, we need Larry Hoover free, gang. Free Larry Hoover and free Lil Durk. And let me put you on to why that'd be a good ass thing for you to do right now. Cause you seem like you want to buck the system, right? You saying fuck the system. Let them niggas go. Let Larry go. Let Durky go. Let Smirk go. Watch how the world change for the better. And that's how you fucked up what they trying to do. Their agenda is to change it for the worse. But if you want to do something real, positive, free Smirk and free Larry, gang. And watch what happens. Watch how the whole world reset over the next 6 to 9 months. If you say you want to do something for us, gang, do something for real. Because you just did something for you on the game. We feel some type of way about it. Nigga, I done did hell of time. My daddy ain't never come say, hey, let him go. And they just let him go. Not my stepdaddy, not my motherfucking plate. Nobody ain't never came and just say, let him go, and they let him go. You only the judge, nigga. That's absolutely amazing, bro. I don't understand y'all. If y'all understand what's going on, gang, like, how is that for niggas that been in jail? Like, y'all gotta feel it the worst. Like, what? Nigga, what? You just dropped a nigga felony? What's to you, Scott? All right, bet. But look, man, Hey, free Larry, free Smirk, nigga. Them the two best candidates you got to free, nigga. You free them niggas, they gonna switch the whole rack up game. And the rack influenced the world. And everybody gonna follow behind. So, I'm pushing that shit, nigga. Free Smirk, free Larry, nigga. Let them niggas go on the game. Hey, YouTube, tap in with me, man, for all your latest information. Because I don't think y'all knew that shit was going on. Do your homework on these niggas just doing shit, any motherfucking thing they want to do. And we just sitting around in the trenches with no money. Like, what? Y'all has got us fucked up. Y'all got about 1.5 more times on the game. But I use